And most recently, you guys know that I really enjoyed my time in Penang, Malaysia. It has amazing spots for flying the drone. And I'm sure some of you guys will come to Southeast Asia for its beautiful beach. In Indonesia, I spent some time in KOMODO National Park and it was absolutely gorgeous. It was windy at some parts and I was flying Mavic Air with it. I was a little bit scared of the wind, but I still managed to take some gorgeous videos. Just make sure you have really nice spots to actually land your drone in the boat, because I almost lost the drone trying to land it. But for me, the most beautiful sights for the beach is the Philippines. The Philippines is like the paradise. In El Nido, Palawan, I had really fun time flying the drones. So one of my favorite countries to fly the drone in is the mainland China. The culture, history, nature, everything is so grand. So anything that you take the videos of, photos of, will be grand and beautiful. And especially the western part of China, where it's sparsely populated, you'll definitely find some really good spots to fly the drone. And also the fact that in any sort of famous sites, other than like the no-fly zone area and like really busy coastal cities, you will see somebody flying a drone somewhere in China, because China is the pioneer of drone industry. You even see quite a lot of phantoms being flown around as well. Hong Kong, the city of skyscrapers. You can actually see a lot of greeneries just outside the city, and especially during summertime when it's quite hot, the sky's blue and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, right now is probably not the best time to travel around in China, but I hope the situation will soon improve and we'll be able to travel around again. And before you fly, always Google what's the latest own the drone regulation. And if you have some interesting experience about flying a drone in this region or any other region, please don't forget to comment down below and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you!